Be careful, a fake ID can ruin your future in the Philippines, especially if it's your Filipino spouse ID. Your 13A spousal visa could be denied just because of one document. Stay tuned and be informed. Hi everyone, this is a gentle but serious reminder to all Filipino spouses and foreign applicants processing a 13A spousal visa in the Philippines. Be extra careful with the IDs you submit, especially government-issued IDs. If there are questions about their authenticity, it could jeopardize your application or worse, lead to denial. Why ID validity matters. Let's say you have someone else process your spouse's ID and they handled everything, including photo and signature, without your spouse personally appearing at the issuing agency. That's a red flag. Example, for IDs like Social Security System or SSS ID, the person must appear in person for biometrics and photo capturing. If your spouse did not appear for that process, double check with the issuing agency immediately. That ID could be flagged as invalid. It might seem like a shortcut, but a fake or improperly acquired ID can delay or destroy your visa application. It might take extra time to validate, but it's worth it. Protect your application. Be 100% sure all IDs are legit and properly processed. If you are unsure, call us. Let JRC help you through it the right way. We want your visa process to go smoothly, and that starts with valid and verified documents. This is JRC, your Every Foreigner's Guide for visas and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll be seeing you on our next Visa Monday videos.